I got a text! Apparently, the US just dropped a big, beautiful bill, and no surprise, it's giving budget cuts, leaving many islanders vulnerable and no longer receiving Medicaid, which happens to be the main way millions of people get access to reproductive care. It's giving a new bombshell has entered the villa to shake things up, and not in a fun way. So, let me pull you for a chat. Abortion is talked about in a very red state versus blue state messaging, but the reality is much messier. And yeah, people are already crossing state lines to get care, but the legal protections still totally unclear. Some states are still trying to punish people for helping others get abortions across state lines, and no one knows how far these laws are going to go. So, what happens if someone from Texas goes to Illinois to get medication abortions and then comes back home? We're not closed off to the idea that it could lead to charges, it just hasn't played out yet. It's basically a judicial waiting game and one case away to set the tone from everything else that follows. And that's not even the whole story. The US has the highest maternal mortality rate out of any wealthy country, and it's hitting Black and Hispanic people the hardest, not because of biology, but because of medical bias and lack of access and deep systemic inequality. And the risk doesn't end after giving birth either. We're talking up to a year postpartum where maternal mortality rates are still high because they don't have access to consistent quality care. If lawmakers cared about protecting life, they'd be working hard to protect that. Real support means access to healthcare before, during, and after pregnancy, not just when it's politically convenient. Because let's be real, the conversation about abortion isn't just about a choice, it's about survival and equity. Right now, it's all tangled in legal gray zones that could make things even worse. These scattershot state laws are intentionally vague. Although some of them are waiting to see after the midterm elections to go into effect, we still need to be open to staying up to date on the news.